Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can read a CDS view in my custom program. So this is suppose the DDL SQL view, and here if I try to get it, so you can see it's a parameter, so I cannot read it. So let's see how we can read this in a program. So what I'm going to do is probably what I'll be doing is I'll go to create a program. So let me go first and create a program. I have already a program already developed. So here you can see if I want to use so I'll use this DDL source. Okay, the first thing I'll do is I'll copy this, okay, because I have something already built, and I'll just change it to CDS2, and here I will change it to 2 3. Okay, just want to make sure, and this was written for another thing. So what I'm going to do is now I'll get the table. So first the DDL source is this one. Okay, so here I'll change it. Okay, and here I'll show what needs to be changed. So here this is the way I have written, and now here I have company code, and suppose I want the customer also. So I put customer. I probably want accounting document. Okay, so I'll just get some of these features. Okay, so what I'm going to do is Control Y. Let's copy this. Let's see, copy just for the heck, and here I'll just do comma, comma, comma. Okay, so now if I'm now checking at loop at, and if I try to activate it, okay, so I'm checking for errors. So here you can see is unknown. That's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy the parameter. It's very simple. It's always new while coding. You need to be writing less and copy pasting more. That's my mantra. And people might differ about this, but that's the way you should be doing. There's no point reinventing wheels. So here, if you notice, they're saying parameter p key date was not bound. So this is a new way. This is the new way you have to write the code. For this, you have to write where the key date will be side datum. Okay, and probably there will be something else. Let's see if there's anything else. So a company called customer already exists. Component called customer. Okay, so where is this thing? Customer. Okay, I already said twice customer. That's fine. That's good. And now I can activate it. So you can see I have activated. I'm activating it, and here, and what I'm going to do is I'll just put a debug here. So I'll put a debug here also. Okay, and now I'll execute, and we'll show you the data in debug. Okay, so I'm executing. You see the debugger stops. The debugger is the bread and butter for a developer. Okay, so now if I execute, you see this has passed, and here I will get all this record. So this is the way you have to write code. Okay, you need to write the code here. Whenever there is a parameter bounded, you need to put the value here. This is the way to write the code. Okay, so this is very simple, and I'll probably put it in the description so that you all can understand, and if you see the video you can see it also. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And this is very important in the S4HANA world, how to read a CDS view which has parameters in it. Okay, so that's it. Take care and have a great day.